Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. But as news of Ashoka's visit with his army trickled in, he was welcomed by the revolting militias and the uprising ended without a fight. Full stop. Some more incitements from Sushim led his father to send Ashoka into exile. Full stop. So, he went to Kaling and stayed there incognito for many years. Full stop. Meanwhile, there was a violent uprising in Ujjain. Full stop. Emperor Bindusar summoned Ashoka back. Full stop. Ashoka went to Ujjain and was injured in the ensuing battle, but his generals continued the fight. Full stop. Ashoka was treated in hiding by Buddhist monks and nuns. Full stop. This is where he first learnt the teachings of Buddha. Full stop. In the meantime, Ashoka's father was taken ill. Full stop. A clique of ministers led by Radhagupta, summoned Ashoka to take the crown. Full stop. As the Buddhist lore goes, comma, in a fit of rage, comma, Ashoka attacked Patliputra and killed all his brothers and threw their bodies into a well, full stop. At this stage, comma, many called him, inverted comma, Chand Ashok, inverted comma, meaning murderer, and heartless Ashoka, full stop. Paragraph change, brave and full of valor, comma, after ascending the throne, comma, Ashoka expanded the boundaries of his empire, full stop. At this point, comma, he was called, inverted comma, Chakravarti, inverted comma, which means, inverted comma, he for whom the wheel of law turns, inverted comma, full stop. However, comma, the conquest of Kalinga turned the wheel of fortune for him, full stop. As the tale goes, comma, Kalinga gave official refuge to Ashoka's enemy, bracket, probably one of his brothers, bracket, full stop. This enraged Ashoka and he asked Kaling's royalty to submit before his supremacy, full stop. When they defied this dictate, comma, Ashoka sent one of his generals to make Kalinga submit to his supremacy, full stop. However, comma, Ashoka's general and his forces were completely routed, full stop, baffled by this defeat, comma, Ashoka attacked with the greatest invasion ever recorded in the Indian history. Till then, full stop, the whole of Kalinga was plundered and destroyed, full stop. After this devastation, comma, Ashoka was left speechless, full stop, while he was walking through the battlefields of Kaling after his conquest, comma, he saw thousands of dead bodies lying there and the wailing of people, full stop. He was constantly haunted by his deeds in Kaling, full stop, stop.